Hey guys, welcome back to another video on this channel, and in today's video I will be restocking the fridge since we just moved into our new house. And the place I'll be going is a new mini grocery store that just opened a few days ago, and I'm really excited to check it out. Hey ma'am, welcome to our grocery store. And if you need any form of help, please let me know. Have a great time shopping. Alright, we will do, thank you. First things first, I need to get some vegetables and also some meat and probably chicken. Let me put the banana and the pineapple and more bananas. I feel like the kids should eat apple, but there's only one, so I guess they'll have to share it. Let me get bell pepper, some more vegetables, carrot, broccoli, and I think that's about all of it. Now let me get some eggs and cheese and probably snacks for the kids. Alright, I think my cart is full, so let me go to the front and go drop it. Ooh, chips, let me get that too, of course, for the kids. Now I'll be getting oil, olive oil, strawberry jam, and peanut butter. Let me actually get two because peanut butter is Noah's favorite topping, so yeah. Moving on to the next aisle, I'll be getting milk, orange juice, and another milk. Alright, so the kids' cereals that's finished, so I'll be getting two of this cereal. And John asked me to get him a protein powder, a new one, so I'm getting him the orange flavor. Then I'm going to be getting two spaghetti, and of course I'm going to be getting my favorite chips, the healthy version of course. Moving on, I'm gonna be getting some fruit juice boxes for the kids. So I'm getting orange, strawberry, and another strawberry for Olivia because both girls like pink. And let's not forget the pets because their food just ran out a few hours ago. I'll be putting in the dog food and the cat food, and also be putting in some apple juice. And if y'all didn't know, Olivia got a new pet hamster and her favorite fruit is apple. Okay, so I'll also be getting a board game, and I think that's about all. So that's gonna be everything for the restocking of the fridge, so I'm not gonna be heading to the front to go check out. Alright, I'm done shopping. I would love to check out now.
Whoa, Mom, did you clear out the whole aisle?
I got a lot of mouth to feed at home, so probably yeah.
Okay, Mom, your total is $81. Will you be paying in cash or card?
Alright, I'll be paying in card.
Great, thank you so much, Mom, for shopping at our grocery store, and have a lovely day.
Hey, I would like to have one of your healthy salad.
Oh, sure, come right up. And don't worry, the water is on the house. And here you go.
Oh, thank you so much, but you didn't have to.
I honestly don't mind. Just enjoy your food.
Thank you so much again. Have a great day.
No problem, you too.
Alright, let me dig in. This hit the spot. Oh my days. It's actually really good. full now, so I don't think I'm gonna eat the rest. Okay, time for me to head home. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.